Good morning and welcome to the Elder Law Offices of John and Mark Nale. I'm John Nale, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about the MaineCare long-term care benefit. The MaineCare long-term care benefit is a needs-based benefit that once a person qualifies, the cost of their nursing home, which today is about $12,000 to $15,000 a month, and the cost of assisted living, which ranges between $6,000 to $8,500 a month. If a person qualifies for the MaineCare benefit, all they would have to pay would be some of their monthly income, which would be a substantial benefit and can be a substantial benefit. But that type of a benefit for long-term care coverage either at a nursing home or at an assisted living facility is needs-based. We have to qualify for it. And in order to qualify for that benefit, we have to meet three conditions and we have to answer one question. The three conditions are, number one, you must need the level of care that you're asking for help to pay for. That is usually not a problem. We don't want to be in assisted living facilities or nursing homes unless we have to be there. But nevertheless, you will be assessed. The person applying for the benefit will be assessed. The second condition, the monthly income of the person applying for the benefit has to be less than the monthly cost of care. Again, that is usually not a problem. Once we retire, we usually do not have income of $6,000 to $8,000 a month or $12,000 to $15,000 a month. So the income of the person applying is usually not a problem. Then third condition is the asset amounts. The amount of assets in the name of the person who is applying for the benefit cannot be more than $10,000. They can own the home, but no more than $10,000 of other assets. And if a person is married with a spouse, then we're going to look at the assets and income of both the at-home spouse and the person applying for the government benefit. They must meet certain conditions and certain limits. And then the question that we have to answer is, what did you do with your assets during the last 5 years that now brings you down to the level that you're at? Basically, whatever amount gifted that is not an exempt gift, whatever the amount gifted during the last 5 years, that's going to be the amount that has to be paid first before a person will qualify for the MaineCare benefit. There are asset limits for the person applying for the government benefit, and there are also asset limits at the nursing home level of care for the at-home spouse. With proper planning and proper documents in place, the MaineCare benefit can be used and a person can qualify for that benefit and have substantial amount of assets preserved. But again, that type of planning would require the advice and experience of an elder law attorney. If MaineCare or nursing home level of care or assisted living level of care is in the future and it's foreseeable, then you should be contacting an elder law attorney as soon as possible. That topic of asset preservation and MaineCare planning requires more than just this brief summary of it, but we offer that for you to consider. If you do need help with that, then please feel free to call us and we'll arrange for a conference here at the office. Otherwise, thank you for listening. We hope this was helpful.